morning, ma'am. Good morning to all. I am Anjali Thakur, student of GNM second year, standing here in front of you to demonstrate the procedure of pleural tap. First of all, definition. It is an invasive procedure in which pleural fluid is aspirated to pleural space to alleviate respiratory distress to obtain the specimen for diagnostic purpose. Removal of fluid from pleural space, installation of medication with pleural fluid, differentiated cell count to send specimen for culture for diagnostic purpose for pleural biopsy. Complication: pneumothorax, cardiac distress, subcutaneous emphysema, pyogenic infection, pulmonary edema. Contraindication: pleural fluid less than 30 ml, cutaneous disease over the puncture site, bleeding diathesis, small amount of fluid. Indication: pleural effusion to removal of pleural fluid. Site: 1 to 2 intercostal space below the level of pleural fluid, mid-capsular line 5 to 10 cm in spine. 5 principles should be kept in our mind. First of all, preparation of nurse, preparation of article, preparation of unit and client, step of procedure, termination of article, record and report, health education. Preparation of nurse. Nurse should be prepared both physically as well as mentally. Physically, hair should be tidy, sleeves should be above the elbow, nails should be cut short, dress should be neat and clean, shoes should be well covered. In mentally, thorough knowledge regarding the procedures, positive attitude toward the patient, that is less harm and more benefit to the patient. Preparation of article. Pleural tap tray containing following article. First of all, sterile tray. A sterile tray containing following article: Cheetle forceps and sponge holder to hold the article, 3 type of solution to clean the site: Sablon solution, betadine solution, spirit solution. Bandage is used for dressing, gloves to prevent from cross infection, drap sheet to drap the patient, gauze piece to clean the site, 1% lignocaine used for local anesthesia, used to collect the fluid, 3-way adapter and needle to aspirate the fluid, 10 ml syringe is used for collection of fluid. A unsterile tray containing following articles: Macintosh and draw sheet to prevent from swelling, kidney tray to collect wet waste, sanitizer to prevent from cross infection, collection bag is used for collection of fluid, sputum mug is used for collection of sputum, tincture benzoin is used for seal the site, micropore is used for over the dressing, is used for over the dressing to heal, is used for seal the site, paper bag for dirty purpose is used for collect dirty waste. Preparation of unit and client. Preparation of unit. Unit should be well ventilated. Fan should be on or off according to patient or weather need. Preparation of client. नमस्ते मुस्कान जी।
नमस्ते।
कैसे हो आप?
ठीक नहीं हूँ। बता रही है
आपके क्योंकि आप आपको दिक्कत इसलिए आ रही है क्योंकि आपके लंग्स में पानी भर गया है, जो कि हमने एक्सरे में भी देखा है। उसको हम निकालेंगे जिससे कि आपको कम दर्द होगा और जिससे आपको सांस लेने में तकलीफ नहीं होगी।
Now the step of procedure. Before starting the procedure, we will give the patient to comfortable position. In pleural tap, we will give the sitting position. We will apply the cardiac bed and we will rest the patient over the cardiac bed. So arm should be across the chest and head should be tilt one side of the body. This is the comfortable position to the patient. After that, we will expose the back of the patient and apply the tuff, because it will prevent the soiling of the bed. After that, we will wear the gloves and we will clean the area. So we will wear the gloves. We will wear the gloves and we will take the sponge holding forceps. With the help of sponge holding forceps, firstly we will clean the back with antiseptic, that is the Sablon. From center to periphery. After that we will clean, we will put into the clean tray. After that we will take another swab and we will clean with the help of Betadine. So again we will clean it center to periphery. After that we will take the third swab, that we will clean with the help of spirit. We can clean when up to when there will be a clear fluid. That will clean with the Sablon and Betadine. After that we will take the spirit and we will clean it from same step, center to periphery. After that we will put the gynae sheet over the part which was cleaned previously. So area which was needed for procedure. After that surgeon will insert the needle, means surgeon will give the local anesthesia to the patient for the prevention of pain. Where it will given below the side of the fluid and above the ribs. So it will already clear in a chest x-ray. When we are doing the chest x-ray, at that time radiologist put the mark over the site. So here it is one mark which show our fluid collection needles will be inserted at this site. Firstly we will give the local anesthesia. This will be given by doctor, and after that we will insert the 18 gauge of the needle into the puncture site. So we will insert it. After that, if there is pleural aspiration, if there is a procedure of pleural aspiration, when we do the pleural aspiration, when pleural fluid is above the 30 ml, at that time we will aspirate the fluid for the purpose of diagnostic. So we will aspirate with the help of syringe. So we will take at least 10 ml of pleural fluid. If there is a more amount of the pleural fluid, at that time we will attach the 3-way adapter over the syringe, and after that we will apply, because it can be a pleural tap, it can be a pleural aspiration, it can be a pleural drainage. So if it is more fluid, then we will drain it into a drainage bottle. So we will apply the bottle like this, and fluid will go inside the bottle. We will not remove more than 1000 ml of the fluid from the lungs. If we will remove more than this, the lungs will be collapsed. So we will remove daily at least less than 1000 of ml. After that we will remove the needle from the puncture site, and firstly we will give the pressure over the puncture site, and after that we will apply tincture Benzainco over the site. After that we will apply gauze piece over the puncture site, and after that we will apply micropore. This step will be carried out by physician or by medical in charge. So like that we will give the pressure over the puncture site. After that we will remove the sheet over the puncture site and keep it for washing and sterilization and remove the Macintosh. After that we will give the comfortable position to the patient. Before insertion of the needle, we will advise the patient she should not move and cough and take fast breathing at the time of insertion of the needle. If he will move, if the patient will cough and take more breathing, fastly breathing, the needle will go inside the organs also. So it will injure the organ. So this is the step of the procedure. Next one explained by Anjali for rest of the procedure. So after
Termination of articles. Wash, clean, dry and replace all the articles. Record and report. Record. Our procedure is done. Report. Any complication is occurred to the patient and health education.
the type of specimen which are we taken from the pleural space, we will send it to the laboratory by adequate labeling of the sample and wait for the report for specimen. Which type of specimen? So you should write the name of specimen. Is your pleural fluid for the acid fast bacilli microorganism? You want to identify microorganism in that? Yeah, you want to identify the cancerous cell in that pleural fluid. So you should know what is the, and you also know what is the normal finding of the pleural infusion. That's why. Thank you.